Very good morning, children. I hope you all are doing well. So, today in this class of GK, we are going to start our next chapter. The name of the chapter is Character and Their Creators. Okay, you might have read some novels, some comics, cartoons. So, you might have seen that there are some frictional characters in that. Okay, so who has created those characters? We are going to learn about them all in this chapter. Okay, so I'm reading the first given line for you all in the beginning. Many fictional characters are created in comics, novels, and cartoons. Here are few fictional characters. Do you know the names of their creators? Choose from the helping hand. Okay, so the first character we have is Alice. So who created that character? It's Lewis Carroll. Okay, has created the character of Alice. Now the next is Batman. Who has created the character of Batman? It is Bob Kane. Now the next is David Copperfield. So Dickens has created that character. Next is Donald Duck. So the creator is Walt Disney. Next is Gora. So Gora, who has created the character of Gora? Rabindranath Tagore. Now the next is Gulliver. So Jonathan Swift has created that character Gulliver. Now the next is Hamlet. So Hamlet is created by William Shakespeare. Next is number 8 is James Bond. James Bond was created by Ian Fleming. Mowgli. So Rudyard Kipling is the creator of the character named Mowgli. Mowgli. Now the next is Sherlock Holmes. Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. Now the next is Shakuntala. So Kalidas has created the character of Shakuntala. Now the next is Spider-Man. So Stanley has created the character of Spider-Man. Okay. So this is all about the characters and their creators. These are the most famous characters in the comics and the novels and the cartoons that we have ever gone through them. So you must be aware about their creators, that who has actually created them, कि असल ज़िंदगी में उनको बनाया किसने है, कॉमिक्स में, नॉवेल्स में और कार्टून्स में. ओके, सो वी आर टेकिंग आर नेक्स्ट चैप्टर which is given on page number 12. It is all about professionals. Okay, in the and what are professionals? Professionals are those people who are excel in their field. For example, like a doctor. जैसे कि doctor, he treats patient, he look after the patients. Okay, he cures the patient whenever the patient is ill, or he is having some problem, or he does treatment to all the patients. Okay, so just like that, there are many professionals who help us in our daily life, who makes our work simple and easier. So some of the professionals are given here. They are really helpful for us people. So let's just learn about something professionals. Here are some professionals. Write their names under the pictures. Okay, choose the words from the help box. We have a help box over here. We can choose their professions from this box. So the first is air hostess. What does a air hostess do? They serve the people who are the passengers in the aeroplane or in the flight. So they attend the passengers. Now the next is scuba driver. Who is a scuba driver? It's an sport activity in which he performs the activity in the water. Okay, now the next is surgeon. Who is a surgeon? He performs the operations or a surgery. So they works in a hospital with the doctors. Now the next is astronaut. The next is number 5th we have is a pilot who flies the plane. Now the next is sculptor. Who is a sculptor? The one who makes design on natural things, like on a rock or something which is very natural in nature, and they creates their own design on that. Now the next is fireman. He put off the fires whenever there is some fire in some places like hospitals or in hotels. So he put off the fires. Now the next is mountaineer, who climbs the mountain and reach certain points. So these people are called mountaineers. Now the next is policeman. What does a policeman do for us? They maintain law and order in the society. Okay, they help in maintaining the peace in the society, and they catch the thieves, and they help the people who are in danger. Okay, so this 9 professionals we have learned about. They are really helpful in our daily life to make our work easy and simpler. Okay, now the next we have our chapter is states and capitals. Okay, we all know that we are having 29 Indian states, and they have some capitals of their own. Okay, so the states are given here and the capitals are also there, but we have to arrange the capitals in the proper order. Okay, so the very first is Andhra Pradesh. So the capital of Andhra Pradesh state is Hyderabad. Now the next is Arunachal Pradesh. It is Itananagar. Assam, Dispur. Bihar, Patna. Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Goa, Panaji. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Now the next is on page number 15. Haryana, Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar. Jharkhand, Ranchi. Karnataka, Bangalore. Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Maharashtra, Mumbai. Manipur, Imphal. Meghalaya, Shillong. Mizoram, Aizawl. Nagaland, Kohima. Orissa, Bhubaneswar. Punjab, Chandigarh. And Rajasthan, Jaipur. Sikkim, Gangtok. Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Tirupura, Agartala. Uttarakhand, Dehradun. Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. West Bengal, Kolkata. Telangana, Hyderabad. So these are the 29 states we have, Indian states, and their capitals. We must be aware about each of the Indian states and their capital. Okay. A need to know. The Indian territories of our country are Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, Lakshadweep, Puducherry and NCT of Delhi. So these are the union territories of our country, and these are the 29 states of our country. Two states having common capital. So what are the two states having common capital? It's Haryana and the next is Punjab. See, this is Punjab. The capital of the Punjab is Chandigarh. The capital of Haryana is again Chandigarh. So these are the two states which having a common capital. Okay, so this is all for today. In the next class, we are going to start with our chapter Explorers. Thank you, children. Have a good day.